I'll never forget the moment I realized my weight struggles weren't just about calories or workouts, they were about inflammation. A very close friend of mine had tried every diet you can think of, low carb, keto, fasting. But it wasn't until she focused on reducing inflammation that the magic started to happen. Within weeks, her bloating disappeared, her energy returned, and the scale finally started moving in the right direction, naturally and sustainably. That completely changed how I looked at weight loss. I dove deep into anti-inflammatory foods and drinks, and today, I'm sharing the 7 most delicious anti-inflammatory drinks that taste great and could help you shed pounds, reduce bloating, and feel amazing. These are science-backed, simple to make, and a joy to include daily. And make sure to stick around until the end because I'll share my personal morning elixir. It's my secret weapon for starting the day refreshed and energized. Let's dive in. Turmeric is more than just a kitchen spice. It's been used in Ayurvedic medicine for centuries to fight inflammation. And the science backs it up too. The National Institutes of Health, NIH, confirms that curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has powerful anti-inflammatory properties and may even support fat metabolism. So how does it help with weight loss? Chronic inflammation slows your metabolism, encourages fat storage, and causes bloating. Turmeric helps to calm that inflammation, making it easier for your body to function optimally. My favorite way to enjoy turmeric is through golden milk. It's soothing, comforting, and I crave it more than coffee. These are simple ways to enjoy it. Heat a cup of unsweetened almond milk or oat milk. Add 1 teaspoon turmeric, a quarter teaspoon cinnamon, a pinch of black pepper, for better absorption, and 1/2 teaspoon honey. Stir well and sip it slowly, especially before bedtime. Add some fresh ginger or cardamom for an extra anti-inflammatory kick. The warmth of the drink is so calming, and I often wake up feeling lighter and less bloated when I drink it at night. Cinnamon and turmeric help balance blood sugar, which is essential when trying to lose weight. I'll be honest, green tea took me a while to enjoy. But when I learned that it fights inflammation and supports fat burning, I was all in. Green tea contains catechins, especially EGCG, epigallocatechin gallate, antioxidants that reduce inflammation, protect cells, and enhance fat oxidation. According to the Journal of the American College of Nutrition, regular green tea drinkers tend to have lower waist circumferences and improved body composition than non-drinkers. Now, when you add lemon to green tea, it enhances the absorption of these antioxidants and adds a dose of vitamin C, which also helps reduce inflammation and supports your immune system. These are great ways to enjoy it. Brew a cup of green tea and let it cool slightly. Squeeze in the juice of half a lemon. Add a teaspoon of raw honey, optional, especially if you're new to green tea's bitterness. It's perfect first thing in the morning or even 30 minutes before a workout for a clean energy boost without the crash. This is one of my go-to drinks during warmer months or when I feel bloated. Ginger is a natural anti-inflammatory that also improves digestion and helps reduce water retention. According to a study published in Phytotherapy Research, ginger significantly reduces inflammation markers and improves gut health, which plays a key role in weight loss. Cucumbers, on the other hand, are about 95% water and help flush out toxins. They're also low in calories and naturally cooling. Together, they make an incredible detox water that hydrates and heals. These are some of my favorite ways to prepare it. Slice 1 to 2 inches of fresh ginger and half a cucumber. Add them to a pitcher of filtered water and refrigerate overnight. Add lemon slices or fresh mint for extra flavor and benefits. I carry this water in a bottle all day and sip it to stay hydrated and beat bloat. It's simple, effective, and way more exciting than plain water. Tart cherry juice might sound indulgent, but it's a secret weapon for reducing inflammation, especially if you experience soreness, joint stiffness, or stubborn belly fat. Rich in anthocyanins, tart cherries help lower oxidative stress and reduce C-reactive protein, CRP, an inflammation marker linked to obesity and cardiovascular risk. A study in the Journal of Functional Foods confirmed these effects, showing reduced inflammation in just 4 weeks. Plus, tart cherry juice may improve sleep, and better sleep equals better weight loss. These are ways to enjoy it. Mix half a cup of tart cherry juice with water and drink before bed. Add it to smoothies with banana and almond milk. Freeze into ice cubes for a refreshing mocktail-style drink. It's sweet and tangy, and it feels like a treat, yet it works behind the scenes to support your health. Now this one surprised me. Apple cider vinegar, ACV, not only helps digestion, it supports blood sugar balance, appetite control, and even fat burning. A 2009 study published in Bioscience, Biotechnology, and Biochemistry found that people who consumed ACV daily had reduced belly fat and improved triglyceride levels. The secret? Acetic acid helps suppress fat accumulation, improve metabolism, and promote satiety. These are ways to drink it safely and effectively. Mix 1 tablespoon of raw, unfiltered ACV into a glass of warm water. Add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and a pinch of cinnamon, optional. Drink it before meals, but avoid taking it on an empty stomach if you're sensitive. I drink this 3 to 4 times a week and have seen tangible improvements in bloating and cravings. Smoothies are one of the easiest ways to boost your anti-inflammatory, and blueberries are the superstar here. Blueberries are packed with flavonoids, vitamin C, and fiber. Studies from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition show that blueberry consumption is associated with reduced markers of inflammation and improved insulin response. These are how I blend the perfect anti-inflammatory smoothie. 1 cup frozen blueberries. Juice of half a lemon. A handful of spinach. Half a banana. 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk. 1 tablespoon chia seeds. Blend everything until smooth. It's creamy and tangy, and it keeps you full for hours. I often have it for breakfast or as a light lunch on busy days. This is my favorite way to start the day. It's a simple mix of ingredients I discovered while trying to beat morning sluggishness, and it works wonders. This elixir combines turmeric, cayenne, lemon, and ACV, each playing a role in reducing inflammation, balancing blood sugar, and boosting metabolism. These are how I make it. 1 cup warm water. 1/2 lemon juice. 1 teaspoon turmeric. A pinch of cayenne. 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar. 1/2 teaspoon raw honey. I drink it slowly on an empty stomach and wait 20 minutes before breakfast. It wakes up my digestive system and reduces cravings throughout the day. Plus, the lemon and cayenne combo gives a nice energy boost without caffeine. There you have it, 7 potent anti-inflammatory drinks that naturally support your weight loss journey. If you're tired of extreme diets and want a more balanced, sustainable way to feel better in your body, start with 1 or 2 of these drinks. They're delicious, easy to make, and truly healing from the inside out. Which one are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments. I would love to hear from you. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. Share it with someone who could use natural wellness tips. And don't forget to subscribe for more real health advice every week. Your healing starts in the kitchen, and it starts today.